There's no question about it that Europe has not been as active and as visibly present as the U.S., for example, when it comes to the Middle East. And I do think that that has resulted in Europe and European entities forfeiting a lot of opportunities that could have been theirs for the taking. That said, within Europe, one would have to make some distinctions. Some European countries are better than others when it comes to realizing and acting upon opportunities in the region. But I agree with the thesis of your question, Hadley. Europe has not been as effective in its approach to the region as the U.S. Has been in the past. But this region is much closer to Europe. This region wants to do business with Europe, is very keen on it, and I think European companies and sovereigns in Europe are also as keen. The issue is in Europe there hasn't been that systematic and well-organized approach of dealing with the Middle East and Africa the way America has dealt with the situation. But that situation is capable of being rectified, and I am beginning to see green shoots on that front, and hopefully we'll see some progress.
And then how does that feed into Joyce's strategy going forward? Because you've cut jobs globally, but you're really revamping your strategy for the Middle East.
Well, the Middle East is a crucial piece of the puzzle for Deutsche Bank globally. If we look at emerging markets, the Middle East and Africa stand out as two areas that appeal to us the most. We're investing in the region, we're adding more headcount, we're adding more systems, platforms, products, and we're spending more time. If you look at our senior management and their involvement in the region, that is indicative of a realization of the need to engage and the need to capitalize on opportunities. And that is being done, Hadley. We're hardly a week goes by without us attracting a very senior resource into the region, connecting the region into some global initiative of Deutsche Bank. So the region is a destination for a lot of our investments at the moment, and it is proving to us to be a very, very wise destination and recipient for a lot of our attention.
Does the controversy that's happening at the senior level at Deutsche Bank cause awkwardness in meetings for you? I mean, everybody wants to know what's going on at Deutsche Bank.
Well, I don't know exactly what you're referring to, Hadley, when you say controversy at the top of Deutsche Bank. The leadership, I think, of Deutsche Bank is firmly unified in terms of the vision that we want to pursue. We are in the news, unfortunately, most of the time, not in a very in the way we would like to be in the news, but a lot of wonderful work is being done by the management board, the supervisory board. There are a lot of initiatives. Deutsche Bank has executed actually on a strategy that was set out when the new management team took over. We've had our first profitable year since 2014 in 2018. A lot of initiatives underway are achieving progress beyond what we set out to do. So the outlook from our side is positive. Market conditions have not been cooperative, but that has not deterred the bank from pursuing the objectives with a lot of vigor, a lot of focus.
So this is a real reset.
We will see a lot of progress in the months and quarters to come.